All right, so we got an LG unit here. The issue with this, not draining, leaving your clothes wet. Pretty straightforward how to do diagnostic. It's an older unit, LGs, love them. Probably one of the best front loader, washer, even top load that you'll find. And you're gonna have the least issue with this machine. Excellent washer. This washer is probably, I think the customer said it was like 17 or 18 years old. All right, you don't see that quite a bit. So we're going through the cycles. I already know what the issue is. 9 times out of 10 when I go in a call, if it's an LG and it's over 10 years old, it's going to be a pump. 99.9% of the time. So I know it's a pump already. Doing this video to show you guys. Beautiful wash action, by the way. Excellent, excellent. And you will see shortly how and what I'm doing. As you will see, you can hear the pump. It is pumping, or it's trying to pump, which means the board is sending power. The pump is receiving power. The impeller, which is a portion of the pump that moves the water, is not. So, as you can see, it's not draining. So, we're going to attach a vacuum and suck some water out. Was not very successful, and the pump was not strong enough, or the vacuum wasn't strong enough. Shortly, I will be blowing, and what I'm doing is blowing into the drain hose, and what that does, it clarifies that there is not a restriction, meaning you don't have anything clog inside the pump housing or the drain tube itself. So if you can blow directly into it and see water or bubbles back into the washer, that means your issue is not a clog. It is 100% a bad pump. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for watching. All right, pump is bad.